welcome to Aquatica. By the way, my name is Eric and let me introduce to you my buddy here. She's one of the youngest female South American sea lion that we have in the group and her name is none other than Yenny. Wave hello Yenny. Wave on back guys. Very good.
Guys, sea lions are called fin or feather-footed marine mammals because of their flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. The term pinniped may also be translated as wing-footed, since the flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, sea lions appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place.
That's right, Annalie. You know what guys, sea lions are sometimes mistaken as seals, but they are not. Now, one of the differences between seals and sea lions is the fact that sea lions have bigger front flippers and they can also turn their hind flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, sea lions can walk upright while on land. See? Good job there, buddy.
And you know what? They have long and flexible necks.
Yay! Plakpakan tayo, plakpakan!
Now their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair. Their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. It contains nerve fibers which make them sensitive. They may use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the surface of the water. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision.
That's right. And in the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores. Some rocky cliffs with tide pools and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities and can easily scale rocky cliffs.
Wow! Good job. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities. So let's start with Yenny. Did you know that sea lions generally cruise at about 11 miles per hour using rowing movement of the front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind the body, functioning as rudder's for steering. Now folks, this is their normal swim.
Yep. But when chasing their prey or escaping predators, they can achieve a speed of up to 25 miles per hour.
Okay, whenever Sandra is ready,
Yep.
she's going to demonstrate.
Ready?
Wow! Now that sure is a fast swim. Good job there, Sandra. One more. Wow, bilis. Good job there, buddy. Now folks, how about a big hand for Sandra and Yenny for the great demonstration. Ay, sorry. Now here's some interesting anecdotes about the sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Now sea lions can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. Amazing, isn't it? And they can dive hundreds of feet, abilities that even the best Navy divers would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Ladies, ready? Now folks, will you please join us in a salute on the count of three, okay? Please count with me whenever you're ready. Ready? One. Salute, everybody! Thank you very much.
Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water.
that's it. Wow. That's it, buddy. You can do it. Okay, that's it. Good job. Easy, easy. That's it. That's my girl. Very good. How about a big hand for Yenny?
Wait,
What?
that's later. We're not done yet, Eric.
You got all the objects, huh?
No, we're not. I'm telling you, there's one more. Why don't you ask Yenny?
Are you sure? Hey, Yenny, is there one more? No.
No?
Yes.
Hey, Sandra, tell them there's one more, right? More.
Oh, come on, Anneli. Let's have the audience then.
Okay. Hey guys, di ba meron pang isang object? Oh. Then what was it?
Gun, toy gun.
Yes, a toy gun. Oh, what do you think?
I think you have to search for the missing toy gun, Anneli. Come on.
Alright, let's go.
Kakamot din, oh. Kakamot. Ah, galing ah. Yo, pati pa niya ko ganun.
Hey, guys. Oh, wait. You see anything? Ah. Okay.
Galing na alam
Are
niya.
you sure?
Alam na daw niya, sabi niya.
So what do you
Yan,
think,
hanapin
Sandra?
niya.
Can Yenny find the toy gun here? No? Are you sure? Ah,
Ayan!
that's it.
Yay!
Good job!
Oh, galing.
Very good job, well done, ladies. Now may we call out our special guest from the audience. Her name is April. 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 Oh, there she is. How about a big hand for April? Wow.
Looking back on when I was a little less than
Wow, maraming fans si Miss April. Ah.
and my only worry was the Christmas what would be my door. Yes, Lord. Even though it's summer, we're not gonna dance.
Hi there, Ma'am April. Good morning. You're right beside me. Wow. Hi, Ma'am. Where are you from? Wow. Hi there. Your colleagues. Oh, yeah. Co-workers yan. Okay, so Miss April, tell me, is your first time to meet a sea lion? Yes. Okay, you're nervous? Kinda. Don't be. They're very friendly animals. So in meeting a sea lion, all you have to do is offer your hand. There you go. And grab her flipper and then give it a good shake. Let's look at the camera and then smile, Miss April. How about you, Jenny? Smile. Wow. I said smile. Okay. So, you know what, Miss April? Would you mind to face the audience so they can see your beautiful face? So, babasa atin si Miss April. Eman, okay lang ba ng okay? Yan. Okay, you know what, Miss April? Sea lions have 34 to 38 canine teeth. See those? Ooh. Perfectly designed for biting people.
Joke.
You are? Okay. Anyway, we're just kidding. You know what, Miss April? The purpose of their teeth is just to grab the fish, but not to
Sinasabi ko
swallow
sa'yo eh.
everything whole. See Yenny? Okay, where's the fish? Good. Okay, wanna try to feed Yenny? Sure, okay. Hold it, Miss April, here's the deal. Quarter, there you go, here's the deal. If Yenny didn't catch that fish, you're going to swim with her. Yeah! Are you excited, Yenny? Yeah. Okay, on the count of three, ready, Miss April? 1, 2, 3, toss it. Wow! Very good, Yenny. Good job. Okay, for that, we deserve one more picture. Stand here, Miss April. That's it. Okay, put your hand on her back. There you go, and look at the camera. One. Wow, good job. Thank you very much, Yenny. Now we are finished. Oh, we're finished. Why?
Iba daw.
What's that?
Kiss!
Are you sure?
Kiss!
Okay, as a token of her friendship, Yenny would love to give you a...
Kiss!
Yeah! Are you up to it?
Yes. Yes.
Good, okay. Chew it first, Yenny. Very good. One more. Offer your chicken, look at the camera. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, Miss Adrian. Okay, stand here. Look at the camera. Give your best smile. Oh, Facebook to. Upload. Yenny, ready? Oh, stay. Relax. Just offer your chick. Just offer your chick, just like this. Ready ka na? Okay, that's it. Offer your chick. No, this is right. I'm here. Bite, Yenny. Don't bite. Okay, offer your chick slowly. Oh, are you sure? Oh my God! Don't cry, Yenny. Oh, Yenny, sugar. Sige na daw. Sige na. Yenny, narinig mo yun? May potong daw ako pag nakakatigas. Put your hand down just like this, and just offer your cheek. Simple as that. Okay, ready? No, 100% sure. Offer your cheek. It's the same here. Just relax. Ready?
Relax. Alright, hold it. Okay.
Oh, Yenny. So, are you up to it, Mom? Are you sure? Just make... Yenny. Ready? Oh, but it's just Yenny, don't worry. Last chance. Okay, last chance. That's okay. Hold it, kids. Hold it, kids. That's it.
Thank you very much.
Ako na wait by the Yenny. Bye-bye. Yenny, bye-bye naman sa April. Ay, yun lang. Oh,
Dito!
What?
What?
Oh my. Oh, Annalie, it's your fault. Yes. Because you just dumped a bottle in their pool, that's why, huh? Oh, same as with Sandra. Oh.
Hey guys, so
What?
far I did it on purpose.
Really?
Jessica!
To show them what most people do with their trash. Our trash, we throw it everywhere. And because of that, our waterways are now choking in garbage. This clogging causes a lot of floods to occur. Just like what happened during Typhoon Ondoy, for example. So let's all be responsible individuals and do our part. We should throw garbage properly in trash cans. Let's ask the help of Sandra.
Well, let's see, Sandra. Start with Yenny. Could you show us now what should be done on the plastic bottle? There we go. Pick it up and it should be placed where? Oh, wow. Straight to the trash can. Good job. How about you, Sandra? Oh, thank you very much. Oh, okay. And of course, they would like to remind everyone that they should always practice the